Here's what you get inside of your laser Boresighter by Tactical Elites. Open it up. We have instructions on how to use the adapters and the battery, etc. Then you have your laser Boresighter, a couple of batteries, your adapters, and a little tool. And of course, once you put the battery inside, you should see the laser. You want to make sure you line up the laser to your optic and then take a shot and make some micro adjustments. And after that, you should be good to go. And that right there is what you get inside your Tactical Elites laser Boresighter package. If you want to get this, go to tacticalelites.com and use code JQ10 for 10% off.